Mad Muscles app reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. Fitness apps are everywhere, but not all deliver equal value. The Endotimable app, Mad Muscles, Zero app promises personalized workout plans, nutrition guides and video tutorials, but most people get this wrong by assuming cost equals quality. Here's why. Pricing is clear. As of recent reviews, Mad Muscles offers monthly at around us $99, annual access us $99, and lifetime access around us $99. Search on paper it appears reasonable, but reviews raise important caveats. One Reddit user warns of unexpected billing. I agreed to the intro offer of $99 for the first month and ended up charged extra. Site what you get: access to workouts, meal planning, tracking and supposedly personalized templates. What you give up: you pay a premium subscription. You must commit to regular usage to get value. And user feedback suggests problems, glitches, cancellation issues, and the wow factor may fall short for serious gym goers. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Define your fitness goal: casual fitness or serious bodybuilding. Step 2. Check the cost in your currency and compare with gym membership or personal trainer cost. Step 3. Test the free trial if available and check how often you'll use the app. Step 4. Review cancellation policy and real user feedback about billing glitches. Most people get this wrong by signing up and forgetting about regular usage, then paying for a service they don't fully use. The surprising truth: even a well-designed app only delivers value if you commit time and effort. In conclusion, if you're motivated, consistent and want a digital trainer accessible anytime, Mad Muscles can be worthwhile. If you're unsure of your commitment or want a simple free solution, you may want to explore cheaper or free alternatives. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more app reviews and what you're really paying for.